Yo, what is good, guys? Today is trade recap for the 26th of January 2026. Today I took one trade, which was a W, made about 380 on it. So, let me break it down. Today was actually a really good day. Really good day. Can't lie. No news Monday. Somehow blessing me. Somehow blessing me with this PA. With this market open, actually. The rest of the PA was quite shit, just market open, blessed. Well, my model. But first of all, going into the day, bullish. I saw what we did. So we basically opened the day. Alright, let me just delete everything. Basically, wait, what? 1:35 minute? Fuck is that? Alright, there. Alright, there. So basically, we opened Sunday. Going into Monday, we had a massive gap down, wick down, 300 points, and an instant rejection from I don't like. Oh yeah, from this volume imbalance, respecting it, holding it. Like this is just a strong area to hold. I was seeing that, and I was like, all right, I'm bullish. And then if we zoom in, let me actually replay. Start new. What time is it? This is okay. Let's replay from here. So I saw that we rebalanced to this gap here on the ES. Similar story. Yeah, similar story on the ES. There was no bullish SMTs as of now. And then what I saw on the daily as well. The daily doesn't sink, but before this candle was like this, we had a daily CRT with this candle. So this was our range. We swept these candles here, and then we didn't even have the high of this candle. This is just the price action now in it. So this candle wasn't like this when I opened the charts. So I was like, all right, I'm looking for this high. That high. This was my draw on liquidity. This is where the CRT happened. So we swept this low. I was targeting this high. This was another draw. Oh my, wait, hold up. This was another draw, but let me just do it. Oh my, was there. And then this here. And then this will just Friday high, drawn liquidity, and then we do that. Alright, okay, there. So Friday high, drawn liquidity. This was like intermediate high, intermediate high, and yeah. So hold up. And on ES we also had this quite nice low resistance. Let me just point it out to you guys right here. Quite nice low resistance. So let's skip to market open. So I wanted to take longs, so I wanted to see market open to first go lower, put a Judas swing in, and that is exactly what happened, bro. What a blessed day, bro. What a blessed day for me. These days like this, where this is what I can remember. Right, if you go back to my channel, bro, I've been getting railed, bro, for months, man, for months. But then there's these golden days, man, insane days. That's why I don't need to, I just need to. For example, last time, bro, I took some three dog shit ass setups, bro. I can't lie. Like three, okay, one was a good setup. The other first two was bad, bro. First two shorts, what the fuck was I doing, bro? But whatever. Um. So, where are we? Okay, so let me quickly, because the chart, these colors help me navigate the charts. Like now I know that we're about to be in New York session. So what ends up happening? Yep. All right. I skipped it a bit, but whatever. So what ends up happening? Off market open. We don't sweep this high. we create like relative equal highs here, like, and then like, so we don't, like, if we had this drop, this drop after we swept this high, I would have been a bit hesitant to take the trade. But since we didn't, for me it was clear manipulation plus this SMT plus inside these 5-minute fair value gap and this 15-minute fair value gap, SMT inside this off market open, putting in a bottom wick on this candle. You see it has no wick on the 15-minute, putting in that wick. Oh no, we already put it in, just ignore me. Order block. Yo, this is actually the next day from the first part of the video, because I had to go do something and then I totally forgot I was mid trade recap. Yeah, and so today I'm gonna quickly finish the one from yesterday and then tell you guys about what I took today. And yeah, um, so let me quickly finish yesterday. Okay, so this is the price action 26th of January to today's the 27th. So quickly, as you guys already knew the first part of the video, I told you order block. That's why why I wanted to see a reaction. Um, why I wanted to see a reaction. SMT at this low, reacting from these order blocks, all that. And then I took my trade right here. I'll show you guys. Wait, what? Oh no, that's ES, man. I'm tweaking, man. All right. Wait, what? Wait, am I actually tweaking? What day is this, bro? 26th of Jan. What? There's no way I'm actually tweaking like this much. Where's the SMT? What? Wait, this ain't this, bro. What? Oh my days, I'm not even at market. Yeah, I wasn't even at market open. I'm an idiot, bro. Alright. Basically, where I took my trade, I was like, I thought this was market open. Oh my days. Alright, this is where I took my trade. Long, like this candle here. Stop was below this. I was targeting this high because we had the daily CRT with this high. So it was a 2 to 4. Nice and juicy. Alright, now we get out of replay. That was the trade yesterday. Today, really similar trade. Basically exact same, but with a deeper retrace we had. So, let me actually replay again. Start new, bang. So going into the day, I saw that on Nasdaq and the ES we had relative equal highs with like January. What is this high? 13th of January high. A relative equal highs on ES. Similar story. We had relative equal highs with the 16th of January highs. So we had a slight SMT, but I was still bullish overall. Because I didn't think we were gonna leave these equal highs. We had a 4-hour FVG here, 1-hour FVG as I marked, 1 hour/4 hour right here. So this is the 4-hour marked out, and I was gonna perfect what actually played out like exactly as I wanted. Tap in, like actually such a nice day today. Yesterday, oh my days, perfect days, bro. Read the market insanely well. So let's skip to market open. Alright, this kind of tripped me out because I didn't think we would close on the 5-minute below this low. I thought we would wick and then go higher, but I mean, it is what it is. Trade still played out. So I scaled down to the 1-minute. I saw that. Okay, I saw that we inversed all these gaps here. I saw these rejection wicks, and then I entered like right on this, like somewhere this candle. I like pyramided in. I think I had my first entry on this candle, like a con here, you know. So then I held all the way till this high, and my stop was here. And I made 450 on that trade. Oh yeah, I actually lost one trade pre-market. I mean, oh, right on market open. This candle baited me out. I actually took a long right like this, because I thought we won't actually tap into the 4 hour. Uh, I mean, I can not tap in because we already tapped into the 4 hour of this wick this was market. Yeah, this was market open. And I was like, all right, we tapped into the 4 hour. There's no point of us going lower. And then, yeah, this gets stopped out pretty much instantly. And then I re enter here. And this plays out really nice. So, yeah, let me actually show you guys. Here, looks a bit messy, but you guys get the gist. And yesterday as well. This is how the stats are looking like. Not bad, not bad at all. Hopefully we can continue this little streak. But yeah, peace.